Alright, so we made a start on one of the cars, as you've seen in that last video. Now it's time to do a little bit more barn work. We've pushed the cars out of this storage area, which is predominantly going to be for a running car or if we need to lift a broken car to store in. So not really going to be working in here is the plan. I mean, maybe service or change some oil or I don't know, maybe do something in here, but predominantly we're not going to be working. So we just need enough light just to make the area not dark. I probably would like to build at the back here behind us, up against the wall, a tyre storage rack. So when the cars come in, so say this car here gets pushed in, the tyres will sit roughly here. So I do think I've got some material at work that's scrap. It's probably not the nicest stuff to weld, it's galvanised pipe, but it'll be perfect for making a tyre rack out of. So probably grab some of that this week, and this will be the next one, building some tyre racks and getting some lighting in here and building a wall to block it off. So it's not going to be the most exciting video you've ever seen, but definitely building tyre racks, something pretty sweet for storage. So they're going to be fairly cheap, simple and cost effective. So yeah, enjoy. We'll get this project underway. So it brings us to a end of that video. We've managed to get all the lights up. We've got a switch down here in the that's those ones, and that's the perimeter lighting. Kind of see a little bit better. Oh yeah, baby. Got that, and then we got some oh yeah, we can change colours. We can flash. So yeah, she's pretty sweet. So it's just some nice Amazon lights. So they just look cool. So that's done. Lights done. Switch done. We got this wall built. Not going to do a video on that one. That happened probably about a week ago now, so that's all done. We will be doing the setup of the fabrication area, so that's probably going to be the next barn build, and that will actually bring us to an end in this barn. We'll call that good. We're ready to build cars. So for now, we got some nice lighting. We can see what we're doing. We'll get this forklift out of the way, and done. So we can put these cars away. Crack on with that barra in the background there. We had some parts arrived for that, so we'll get started on it. Should be good.